Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a right-click details pane for File Explorer in Windows 10. So this will only work for Windows 10, it will not work for Windows 11. It will add the option in Windows 11, but when you click on it, it won't do anything. So normally in File Explorer, if you want to see the details pane, you need to go to View and then Details pane. And then when you click on a picture, you'll see the details. And then if you want to turn it off, go back to View and then deselect Details pane. So if you want a right-click option where you could easily toggle the details pane view on or off, we're going to do so with a simple registry edit. So I have one file here to add the option and one to remove it. So here's what those files look like. Here's the one to add it. Here's what it does. And then here's the one to remove it. All right, so to do so, we're just going to double click the Add Details pane registry file. Click on Run. Say yes to the UAC prompt. Say yes to adding it to the registry, and then OK. So now when we go back here, we just need to right-click anywhere, and we have an option for Details pane. And if we right-click again, you just turn it off, just like that. And let's say you change your mind and you don't want it any longer, just double-click the Remove Details pane registry file, go through the same process. Now you can see the option is gone. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download these two registry files, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.